Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today we are going to do another grocery haul, meal plan, and a cozy dinner recipe. This week we shopped at our local King Soopers, which is Kroger, and it was one of our low spend weeks. And the goal was to keep each meal under $5 this week. My daughter is 8 months and she is eating what we eat, so I am including her because she has quite the appetite. My toddler, not so much, and you know I'm always hungry, and so is my husband. So we eat quite a bit for a family of 4, and we usually like to keep our budget under $100. So it came in right around $78, which is awesome. I did shop through my Ibotta app, so I got a few bucks back from that as well. So I believe in total I spent $71 for the week for a family of 4. Keep in mind I am from Colorado, so my prices may vary. And let's just get right into the video. Alrighty, I have laid out everything on my countertop here, and let's just start over with the meat. So we have some pepperoni and pastrami. We like the sliced version for my husband's lunches. We do have some provolone cheese for that as well, and some whole wheat tortillas. Not the best for you, but at least they're whole wheat, I think. We don't get these often, but they were on sale, and the tortillas that we normally get that are just simple ingredients was a little bit expensive, so we ended up not getting those. So I did get some grapefruit juice. That is for an upcoming recipe. Normally I wouldn't drink this. This is from concentrate, so again, not the best for you, but it was a good price. I did get some basil. I would like to make some fresh pesto, and I have a few recipes coming up, so I got the larger one. This was $3.99. I did get the Petite snacking tomatoes. I love these for salads, and I have another recipe coming up that requires that. I did get some baby spinach and baby kale. Normally I would just get the spinach, but I've been really enjoying both of them lately. And this is for my smoothies. I do have some sliced peaches and sliced pineapple. So I got really great feedback on my smoothie recipe. If you want a video solely dedicated to smoothies, I can do that for you. Just leave it down in the comments. I have some Caesar dressing for a recipe. Do have some of these dark chocolate peanut butter kind bars. I showed this in my last video, and they are frozen and just super tasty and a really great night treat. I do have a sweet potato. I have some queso for a recipe, as well as this marinara, still on sale, so yay. I have some organic bananas. I like to freeze them for my smoothies as well as give them to my daughter. I have some of this bald mozzarella. We use the Miyokos. I do have some Mrs. T's pierogies. Normally I'd make my pierogies. Sometimes I don't have time to do that, so I like to get these minis for my son. I have 2 gallons of milk for him as well, and some large brown cage-free eggs. He eats eggs in the morning, and so does my husband when he has the days off. I got some of these white cheddar curls for my daughter. I wasn't sure if she would like it. We always like to try out little snacks like this and these little Veggie Melts. I never know, so normally I would make her food, but these are great to pack in the diaper bag. I have one of these dough sheets, crescent roll dough sheets. Tamara got me hooked on those. I just won't turn back now. They are more expensive, but I really like them. I got these Z bars, the Cliff Kid bars for my son. He really likes these in the morning. They're not too terrible for you. The sugar, however, is high. Let's see what we have here.
Mama.
Hi, honey.
I too.
Yeah, 10 grams. So not the best for you, but some of the ingredients are better than... You're 2, yeah. Some of the ingredients are better than the fig bars, but I go back and forth. And then over here we have some bell peppers. We're gonna make stuffed peppers and stuffed sweet potatoes. I have 2 avocados and some lemon. And then, I don't know if this was a misunderstanding, but the broccoli was less funny than the frozen broccoli. So I'm like, I could just cut this up, but look at this one. It is massive, it's huge. It's bigger than my head, and I have a pretty big head. So this might have been a misunderstanding, but that's okay. And like I said, this is what we got this week. Everything came down with my Ibotta app to around $71. That app is free, and I do have a referral code if you want to try it out. No pressure or anything, but I've gotten money back on it quite a bit. So we actually had a plan to go to town and go to Whole Foods. I don't shop at Whole Foods often, but I did have a few gift cards, so I picked up a few of my favorite things. And let's get started. So I got some tomatoes and onions, some baby carrots, and organic Persian cucumbers. They are my favorite with salt and pepper. I got a mango for an upcoming recipe, some baby spinach and arugula, hearts of romaine. I got the Just Mayo, which is my favorite vegan mayo. It's an alternative to regular mayo. I got some of the Miyoko's farmhouse cheddar. It's super tasty on like a grilled cheese. And then I got the Gardein fish fillets for our meal plan this week. And then I got the Serenity Kids grain-free puffs. My daughter is not grain-free. I just really like this brand and I knew this would be a hit, so I got those. And then I also got some salmon with beets and squash. And there's some olive oil in here. Bringing her some healthy fats is important to me, so I like to do that. Then I got some coconut water and my favorite hop tea. This is a black tea brewed with Simcoe hops, so it's super tasty. It tastes like an IPA, so if you are missing that and you're pregnant or something like that, hop tea is a great alternative. And I got some almond milk creamer, wanted the chocolate, but there was a misunderstanding and got the vanilla. No worries there. I needed some dill weed for a recipe. I was super excited to see the Kite Hill, the new garden veggie version, so I will let you know how that tastes in an upcoming video. I got the benevolent bacon for some BLTs this week, and I got the organic wheat tortillas as well as some naan. I got some sprouted multigrain and seed bread. This is $2.99 and really, really tasty. And then some more hemp seeds because you know I eat them all day. And I got some PB&J bites for my son and the car. He really loves these. And of course some couscous, again $2.99 and a really great side to have with dinner. And that is all we got from Whole Foods. And yeah, so I'm gonna put all of this away and we are going to get started on our meal plan for the week. And then I'm going to share with you a cozy recipe. So if you have time to stick around to the end of the video, I always like to share these recipes because this is a recipe channel. So I like to include food in most of my content if you haven't noticed. If you do like that, comment down below what your favorite recipe is. I always like knowing who likes what. We are trying something different for the meal plan, so feel free to screenshot these recipes. On Sunday, we are having fish tacos. On Monday, we are going to have some grilled cheese with some butternut squash soup. On Tuesdays, we are going to have some gyros or gyros, however you want to call these little things. On Wednesday, we are going to have some zucchini lasagna in the crock pot. On Thursday, we are going to have some takeout at my favorite restaurant called Sherpa's. This is what I get and this is what my husband gets. On Friday, we are having some homemade white pizzas. And then on Saturday, we are going to have some broccoli cheese bread bowls to use up all that broccoli that we got. Now let's get into our recipe. We are going to have some fried rice and some homemade salmon sushi. It's kind of like a Philly roll, but again, we need to use up all this broccoli. So you're going to need however many broccolis that you like to eat. We like broccoli a lot. You're gonna need a cup of white rice and an avocado. You're gonna need 1.5 cups of water, some green onions diced, some of that salmon, and I'm just gonna flake it with this fork, and some cream cheese of your choice. And that is going to be it. I have some sushi nori in the back here, and I'm gonna show you how I put all of this together, so enjoy the music.
Running from all things that without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Come seek me out.
Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. If you are new here, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun.